Solar Electric Lighting Company. Managed 604 Business Research. Professor Tucker by The Incredibles. May 5th, 2018. Introduction. Our group, The Incredibles, consists of Elcomwayne, Ickpon Wosa, Janine Shaggy, Clarissa Miller, Eugene Glasses, Renee Trujillo, and Sandra Begay. Each one of the group members was able to understand the group assignment, and expectation was fulfilled to meet the group assignment. Institutionalized the design process. After Selco's fall in the early 2000s, the company went under restructuring. Part of reorganizing was through planning an innovative solar solution, redesigning products, and more importantly, financing solutions were designed through partnership with institutions. The approach. Here is a diagram of approach with us, and well, not us, but Selco. The incubation lab. The incubation lab was open to help with technical development process. The incubation lab is independent of Selco with its functions and directives. The purpose of the lab is to develop renewable energy with using readily available and affordable material. Designs are made in the lab where new products are tested. The innovation department, including the incubation lab. With the technology and financing process, we were able to get solar power signals lights, integrated energy, food carts, biomass base dryers, improved cook stoves, and with financing, develop financial schemes for migrant laborers, creating affordable technologies for very poor segments, and the process is creating supply chains for people living in remote areas. So customizing solutions are created based on the customer's needs. Selco's partnership with CEWA. CEWA is a financial institution serving low-income women with savings options, insurance, financial counseling, business advice, and training programs. Selco partnered with CEWA banks to provide an affordable plan to customers seeking sustainable energy. The two work together to fund solar entrepreneurs and meet the demands of new and existing clients. So for the mission of CEWA is to exist to reach to maximum numbers of poor women workers engaged in the unorganized sector and provide them suitable financial service for their social economic empowerment and self-government through their own management and ownership. Finally, the advantage between the partnership is the fact that customers are able to afford and have access to energy in low-income areas of India. Partnership goes beyond solar power. The energy program is offered through the CEWA banks, and its missions are to address poverty by reducing drudgery, increase revenue, time availability, improving health, and product, which is flexible financing and customized energy services, and with a delivery method and model of doorstep financing and doorstep services. Service models, personalized services, and potential client base is over 2,900,000 members. So for now, we're going to conclude with a sample run. Thank you.